Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, Musa posted the screenshot that I guess he took from Facebook. It's from Briefly South African News. It says Halala Musa Mseleku has been named the highest rated male personality on DSTV. Now Musa posted that screenshot on his Instagram page and he captioned it, Mzansi, thank you so much. It is not easy. Guys, and you know, in the comment section, someone quoted that part of it is not easy. And I laughed because I could almost imagine I could hear Mseleku's voice in my ears saying that part to Witty. It is not easy because he loves that line, you guys. But anyway, guys, a lot of people in the comment section were congratulating him. Listen, one thing I think that we should all not shy away from is how this man and his family has continuously entertained us season after season. I'm not even gonna touch this season 8, guys. I just feel like it's just on another level, and I really hope Utiba busy or they have plans to be shooting season 9, but I'm sure they have, you guys, because I feel like Uthando and Nesthembu is like that one show that we share in common as South Africans. Because are you really a South African if you don't like Uthando and Nesthembu, or if you don't watch Uthando and Nesthembu? Okay, I guess, guys, some people, they just don't like content like that. But like, it's that watched and it's that loved. It's the one thing that brings us together, the one thing that divides us at the same time. But I think it's so important for us to remember that it's entertainment, guys. And I've said this before, that the Mseleku family, basphethe la in the palm of their hands, guys. They know which buttons to press us as South Africans to get us saying ha, woo, all of those things. And listen, they have done an exceptional work. And I think the praise belongs to all of them. But the mastermind behind it was Mseleku. And we have to say, or at least I have to say, congratulations, Musa Mseleku, for your hard work that you have put in towards this family. I indeed believe that it was not easy because, guys, yes, it is hard work. He is the highest male rating, what, as they said. But again, at what cost? Do you understand what I'm saying? At what cost? So I really hope, Wuti, this does come at a good cost, that he doesn't lose any of those wives because he doesn't want to. And that this thing doesn't only bring them money, but grows them as a family. Because money does come, guys, and it goes. But if you're going to lose the most important things in life, which are relationships that you've built over years, I don't know if it's worth it. But anyway, Halala Musa Mseleku, Halala Mselekus, they've passed it on to Izingane Nesthembu, and I hope Izingane Nesthembu must catch it next, guys. They must not make that thing a one-man show gampumelelo. They must try and get the other kids involved, you know? But anyway, guys, let's park it there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.